What's up, everybody? It is Amrinder Singh, and today we're gonna learn directions in Punjabi, or how to ask directions while you're traveling or you going somewhere. All right. Okay. The first thing you need to know, basically, the four directions, like left, right. Or you wanna go left, right, or straight or backward. Um. So in Punjabi, left means khabbe. All right. Khabbe, or people say khabbe pasa or khabbe passe. So pasa or passe means the side. All right. If I say khabbe passe, it means left side. If I say khabbe, it means left. All right. And sajje means right, means if you want to say turn right. All right. Right means sajja. All right. Sajja pasa means right side. Um. Straight. If I said to go straight, so straight means is like agge. All right. Agge. So agge has a few other meanings. Agge means also something in front of you. I say agge. It also means like a further. Like if you ask me, you're going somewhere, and I say agge. Agge. It means it's further. It's not here. It's further. And backward or backside is like a piche. All right. If you ask me, you're trying to find a shop, a specific shop, but it's behind you, just across the shop, you didn't notice. I say pichia. All right. So back means piche. Okay. The four directions very important to know. Khabbe means left, sajje means right, and straight means age, and back means bichi. All right. So these four are very important to make any sentence. So you use these kind of verbs. Maybe you are somewhere and somebody's asking you a direction, you can tell them, or maybe you wanna ask directions, or maybe you're discussing with your friend about some specific place you want to visit. Let's say you wants to find something, a juice bar in specific area, and that's how good you can talk about. For example, if I wants to go to Bathinda, which is city near to me, and I don't know where is juice bar or a juice shop. All right. So juice shop. If I ask my friend where is, and he said, ਬਸ ਅੱਡੇ ਤੋਂ ਉਤਰ ਕੇ ਖੱਬੇ ਮੁੜ ਜੀ ਉੱਥੇ ਜੂਸ ਵਾਲੀ ਦੁਕਾਨ ਆ. Alright, so it means he said bus ਅੱਡੇ ਤੋਂ ਉਤਰ ਕੇ, or bus ਤੋਂ ਉਤਰ ਕੇ. Alright. Bus adda means a bus station or bus stand, or bus means bus. So if you are going through bus, when you just get off the bus and you are at the bus station, then khabbe murji. Murna means a turn, take a turn. So it means when you just get off the bus and now you are in the bus station, where you have to go, you have to turn left. Khabbe murji, turn left. Otte juice di dukana. It means there is a juice shop. All right, a juice bar, whatever you wanna call. So you can drink juice there. So he told me, like, when just I get off the bus, just turn left, and right there is a juice bar. All right, this is how we say bus to uttar ke bus adde to khabbe mudni. All right, if you wanna say like when you get off the bus, turn left and then again turn left. So in Punjabi we say bus adde to uttar ke khabbe mudni te ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਫੇਰ ਖੱਬੇ ਮੁੜ ਜੀ. Alright, ਖੱਬੇ ਮੁੜ ਜੀ means turn left. ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ means again or after that. Alright, after that like after that turner left again, ਦੁਬਾਰੇ ਫੇਰ ਖੱਬੇ ਮੁੜ ਜੀ. So same situation could be sajje. If you wanna say turn right, then you say bus adde to uttar ke sajje mud ji. All right, so morna means just turn, take a turn, sajje means right, turn right. And if I want to say you go straight, like I want to say when you get off the bus, just go straight, and you have to go straight, let's say 100 meters, and there's a juice bar. Then I will say bus adde to uttar ke ਸਿੱਧਾ ਭੱਗ ਜੀ 100 ਮੀਟਰ ਤੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਜੂਸ ਦੀ ਦੁਕਾਨ ਆ. So Siddha Bhagji means just go ahead or go further, go straight. Siddha means straight. Bhagji means like a go, like a go means a jana, but this is how we talk. We say Bhagji, or some people say Chala Jain, all right? Chala Jain, Bhagji, it means go. Siddha Bhagji means go straight. Othe 100 meter. 100 means 100. Siddha Bhagji 100 meter jaake. It means like when approximately you go walk 100 meters, there's a juice bar, all right? Juice, the dukan means, juice means a juice, and dukan means a shop, all right? So if I want to say go backward when you just get off the bus, I say piche, all right? Piche murji. Bus ton uttar ke bus adde ton piche murji. Bus adde to piche murji means when you just get off the bus in a bus station, just go backside, you know? So yeah, this is how we talk. And so these are the simple thing, but if you want to tell some little bit complex, let's say you want to say, okay, you're trying to find a juice bar. When you get off the bus from the bus station, first take left, then go straight 100 meters, then take right. All right. And the juice bar is right there. Then you will say in Punjabi, bus to uttar ke bus adde to baad ਖੱਬੇ ਮੁੜ ਜੀ ਫਿਰ ਸਿੱਧਾ ਵਗ ਜੀ 100 ਮੀਟਰ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਫਿਰ ਸੱਜੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਮੁੜ ਜੀ ਉੱਥੇ ਜੂਸ ਦੀ ਦੁਕਾਨ ਆ so when I say bus ਅੱਡੇ ਤੋਂ ਖੱਬੇ ਮੁੜ ਜੀ it means take a left turn from bus station. When I say 100 ਮੀਟਰ ਜਾ ਕੇ it means go straight 100 meters, or when you take a turn left then go 100 meters. 100 meter ਜਾ ਕੇ ਸੱਜੇ ਮੁੜ ਜੀ. All right, it means when you go 100 meters, then take a turn right. All right, so right there is a juice bar. So again, if you're asking the direction or somewhere and you have a conversation with a stranger, maybe you're visiting Punjab, whatever, if they explain you like that, and you didn't understand, and then you want to ask again, you can also say like repeat it again, like in Punjabi, "Dware dassi," like repeat it again. Or you can also say like where to go. If you want to say, if he tell you direction, okay, take this turn, and you want to say where to go, then in Punjabi you say kiddhar jana. All right, kiddhar jana. For example, he told you from bus station take left, then go straight, then take right. All right, and you only understand take a left, so take a turn left, and then you didn't understand. Then you can ask him like ਖੱਬੇ ਮੁੜ ਕੇ ਫੇਰ ਕਿੱਧਰ ਜਾਣਾ ਖੱਬੇ ਮੁੜ ਕੇ ਫੇਰ ਕਿੱਧਰ ਜਾਣਾ it means when I take a turn left, after that, ਫੇਰ means after that, or then ਫੇਰ ਕਿੱਧਰ ਜਾਣਾ means where to go. All right, so it means when I take a left turn, then tell me further, tell me where to go. So in Punjabi you say ਖੱਬੇ ਮੁੜ ਕੇ ਫੇਰ ਕਿੱਧਰ ਜਾਣਾ. So it means when you took a turn left, but you didn't understand. After that, you want to ask more. Then he can tell you, when you take a turn left, then go straight 100 meters, then take a right. So in Punjabi, he was gonna say, ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਖੱਬੇ ਮੁੜ ਜੀ ਫਿਰ 100 ਮੀਟਰ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਸੱਜੇ ਮੁੜ ਜੀ. This is how it is, But if you wanna ask them, you didn't understand. Maybe you understand 2 points, 2 turns, or 1 turn. Then after that you can tell them ਖੱਬੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਮੁੜ ਕੇ ਫਿਰ ਸੱਜੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਮੁੜਨਾ. Then you can ask ਫਿਰ ਕਿੱਧਰ ਜਾਣਾ. So it means the person who is telling you, they understand. Okay, you understand 2 turns, but after that you didn't. ਕਿੱਧਰ ਜਾਣਾ means where to go, and then he's gonna explain you the next turn you have to take. All right. So it's the same thing. Maybe then they can describe you a little bit differently. There's some specific point. Let's say if they're telling you, you want to know the juice bar, and they told you take a left turn and then go straight 100 meters, and the shop is right there. Maybe there's some kind of big sign. They can tell you, okay, they can tell you like that. Take a turn left, then go straight 100 meters. There's a hospital, and right there in front of the hospital, there's a juice bar, So in Punjabi, probably they're going to say, ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਬੱਸ ਅੱਡੇ ਤੋਂ ਖੱਬੇ ਮੁੜ ਜੀ, ਫਿਰ 100 ਕੁ ਮੀਟਰ ਗਾਂਹ ਜਾਣਾ ਪਊ ਤੈਨੂੰ, ਫਿਰ ਉੱਥੇ ਇੱਕ ਹਸਪਤਾਲ ਆਊਗਾ। ਹਸਪਤਾਲ ਮੀਨਸ ਅ ਹਾਸਪਿਟਲ। ਹਸਪਤਾਲ ਆਊਗਾ, ਉਹ ਹਸਪਤਾਲ ਦੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ, alright, ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਜੂਸ ਦੀ ਦੁਕਾਨ ਆ। ਸੋ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ means in front of the hospital, probably opposite side, you know, on the street or on the road. When we say samne, it means the opposite side, you know, like in front. If it's like next to the hospital, then we say naal. Naal means with, you know. If it's next to the hospital, then probably they're gonna say hospital de naal juice di dukaan a. If it's in front of the hospital, then they will say hospital de samne juice di dukaan a. So yeah, these are the very few vocabulary, but you should know how to use them. And mostly when you're gonna travel or you're gonna ask these kind of directions, this is how you're gonna, you know, like you're gonna get the response, or maybe you can also ask them or you can tell them. So basically, they're gonna tell you, they're gonna use like a khabba or khabbe, which means left. Sajje means right. You can also say khabba pasa, sajja pasa, whatever, you know, left and right. And go straight means agge jaake, you know, or agge chale jao, something like that. Agge means go further or go straight. And piche means backward, you know. Let's say you left something behind. They say, ota piche si. You're trying to find the juice bar, eta piche si. Piche means it's in behind. It's not anymore further. Just go back, you know. So yeah, these kind of things they're gonna ask you. Maybe they're gonna tell you a specific point, maybe a sign like a hospital. There's a hospital. Maybe they're gonna say there's a tire shop, you know, or tire store. There's a tire in the front plus store. It's right there. So yeah, they're gonna give you some signs about maybe there's some soft hospital or some specific thing, but mostly they're gonna talk about these things, you know, like khabbe, sajje, agge, piche, something like that, and a little bit more vocabulary. This is very simple. This lesson is from for the beginners, you know. Very few vocabulary. Just need to know how to use them, how to ask the question. All right. I hope you enjoy this podcast, enjoy this episode, and you learn something new today. I'll be back with another episode another day.